Hello and welcome to Carmen's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a lovely, really easy but really tasty chicken dinner. So we're going to make maple Dijon chicken. So for this we have some chicken breasts, we have some Dijon mustard, and I like to add a little bit of whole grain mustard. We have some maple syrup and cider vinegar. Okay, so when you're using a chopping board, to prevent the chopping board from slipping, if you put a tea towel underneath it, it will be really safe and a good plan. Okay, so for my chicken, I'm going to butterfly a little bit my chicken. So I put my chicken breast down, so there's a nice flat part on your chicken breast, and then you have your chicken breast that it's been removed from the chicken. So with a nice sharp knife, just make a cut down into the center of it, open it out, and then just diagonally slice into your pieces of chicken. And that's butterflying your chicken. It's really good way for an awful lot of dishes, and the more that you do it, the better you get at it. So we're just going to put that straight into our baking dish for the oven. So just butterfly out your pieces of chicken, and if you turn the flat side down and your butterfly part up, so that your chicken can soak up all of the lovely flavors that we're going to have in here. So we're just going to have dinner for 3 people today, so I just have 3 breasts of chicken, and that's it. I'm going to move that over there. I will just wipe my hands off. Okay. So now I've got a measuring cup. So into this I want 1/3 of a cup of mustard. So as I said, I like whole grain mustard in it, as well as the Dijon mustard. The whole grain mustard gives it a really nice look. So we have a Dijon mustard. Don't use English mustard, because English mustard is very, very strong. So you just stir those two. And as you can see, we have all the nice little grainy parts in that there. So then we have some maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you could use some honey. And I have a quarter of a cup of maple syrup. And I have some cider vinegar. Okay, and we'll just stir those up together. And we'll just season the chicken with a little bit of salt. And pour this over your chicken. So my oven is turned on to 200 degrees, gas mark 6. And my chicken is going to go into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. If you stick a skewer into it before it comes out, and you'll know that it's baked. So into my oven. So this is what you'll have in your dish, and into the oven. So 35 minutes later, my chicken is cooked. And there is my sauce, and as you can see, it's very good. So we're going to serve that today with some vegetables and some potatoes. Put some more sauce on top. And there you go. Lovely tasty dinner in a jiffy. Okay, good luck, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Cheerio.